Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be more about how to help you to clear the clicking sound that you are hearing right now with your video mic Go. So this is something that I found out recently, and it's kind of the main reason why I stopped using this mic is because there's always like a constant clicking sound and you can hear it right now. And so I'm going to show you a really fast way. It takes you less than 10 seconds, and it's most likely like a setting that you have on your camera that is causing the clicking sound to happen. And so right now I'll just explain it, which is and then I'm going to go show you how to do it just in case if you're unsure. So our cameras are like modern DSLR cameras. They have like Wi-Fi enabled, so that means you can communicate your like DSLR to your smartphone. And that interference is what's causing the clicking sound to go between your mic and then your camera. And so all you have to do is you got to go in the settings. Right now I'm using a Canon 80D, so I'm going to go show you how to go through the settings. So I'm going to go record from my phone so you can see exactly like what I'm talking about. So just listen to the sound now, and then we're gonna see how it sounds after I turn off the Wi-Fi. So we're gonna. All right. So now I'm gonna go to the menu settings, and so if you're using a Canon, you want to go to right here with like the little hardware sign, and you want to go to wireless communication. Click this. I had this enabled. Then you're gonna click that and hit disabled and OK. So just make sure you enable that when you are transferring things from your camera to your smartphone, and then when you are recording, then disable it, so then you're not going to hear that clicking sound. So then now we're going to go back to recording. I'm going to stop recording from my phone. All right, and that should be it, and that should fix essentially your problem that you have with your video mic Go. I don't know why it has such a bad time with like Wi-Fi or whatever, but I don't know, it's just something that I noticed that other people are having this problem, and I didn't think about it, but haven't really seen any like good solutions to it, and I found this out actually just last night. I was playing with my camera and I was like, oh man, I heard people saying like, oh, it has to do with the Wi-Fi around you. If you have a router, that could be affecting it. Like a TV on your laptop can be affecting it. And then it never crossed my mind that my camera itself has Wi-Fi in it, and if you disable it, then that's going to fix your problem. So hopefully that fixes your problem. And yeah, so if this did help you, leave a comment below, like, comment, and subscribe for future videos. I don't know, I always like to share like PSA whenever I find something like groundbreaking. I like to share that with everyone. So see you guys next time, and peace.